y'all, hopefully I have a head now. Hey guys, it's Bree and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but we're back, we're here, and we're present. So yeah, this video I'm going to be cleaning out my closet because it's time. So we're just gonna get into this. If you guys enjoy my video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate if you guys did those things. It's super easy for y'all to do. Only takes a few seconds of your time and it really helps my channel out a lot. So yeah, this is my closet. This is a shoe rack. Excuse the lack of the Pinterest worthy closet. This is what I'm working with. So yeah, I'm gonna also probably do a lot of like time lapses just because if you're new to my channel, I'm a chatty Cathy and I could like dead ass talk for days. So I'm gonna try to spare y'all. But yeah, I am gonna be adding some things to my Poshmark. So if you're not already, go follow me over on Poshmark. I will leave the link because some stuff gets donated. If I think it'll sell on Poshmark, I'll put it. But things that don't sell on Poshmark after a couple months get thrown out. So if you do like something on Poshmark, get it ASAP. And then the other pile is going to be trash. So yeah, I'm also going to make a note of things that I need to replace. For example, this shirt with the foundation stain on it, I need to replace. That way I'm not like holding on to things that I don't use. So let's just get into this, okay y'all? Alright y'all, the first thing that I'm pulling out are these jeans. And these jeans are good, honestly, except for these two. I have had these for at least 2 years and have never worn them, so I'm definitely getting rid of these. I'll try them on Poshmark for a little bit, and if that don't work, then we'll just, and these, I'm gonna put these on Poshmark too, because these are actually really cute. They just don't, they're not that comfortable on me personally. But I'm gonna get rid of these. The rest of my jeans I already know are good to go. So I'm gonna just keep all of this. This is my bag. This two-piece set is actually already on my Poshmark. So if you like it, go get it. It's a size large from Fashion Nova. Have never worn it. It's brand spanking new. Y'all, these are some maternity jeans and I ain't finna be wearing these for a few more years, so I think we can go ahead and trash that. Alright y'all, I'm gonna speed this up a little bit because I see a bunch of t-shirts that like I know I can quickly put in my keep pile or whatnot. So let me do that real quick. Keep. Y'all, this dress is going to Poshmark if you like it. It's really pretty. Check it out on my Poshmark. It still has the tag. This was a maternity dress. I'm gonna donate this one because again, 4 years, I don't need it. Y'all, I don't know about these two. I actually was able to wear these all the way through my pregnancy. And this dress, I'm gonna wear a lot. I'm definitely gonna wear this a lot with fall coming up. So I'm gonna keep that. But this one, I feel like I could donate this one maybe. I'm gonna keep it for now. Keep. This is new with tags from Fashion Nova, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and Poshmark that one. We're making a mess. Let me see. I broke it. Okay. Definitely I'm sorry I don't have a head, y'all. I cannot push my camera any further back. Let me see, actually. Y'all, I love this dress. I didn't get to wear it much this summer because, you know, quarantine, so I didn't go anywhere. But I'm keeping that one. She cute. I do actually wear this. I've had it for a couple years, but I wear it all the time, so I'm gonna keep that. I don't know, y'all, I haven't really worn this dress, so I feel like I should get rid of it. But this is like the only one that I have like this. I'm gonna keep it for now, but by the next time, she probably gonna go away. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my Poshmark. I actually did a try on haul with this one, and it's really cute. It just doesn't fit me the best with my rustical area, so I'm gonna let somebody else buy it. It's brand new with tags. It's super cute, so if you like it, this keep. Oh my goodness, y'all, I acquired this senior year of high school, and I've been in love with it ever since. It's like a men's flannel shirt, and I actually wear this all the time. I wear it in fall, the spring, the summer, all the time. Keep. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep all my shorts because I just bought these a year ago when we went on our cruise. So all of these should still fit, and I didn't wear them this summer because quarantine, we were in the house. So I'm gonna keep all my shorts because I know that they fit. Honestly, y'all, I feel like I should Poshmark this one because she's so cute, but I still haven't worn it, but I do really like it. But we about to go into winter and stuff, so like I'm not gonna wear it. Should I get rid of this one? I think I should. I don't know, maybe. Definitely keeping this. This one, like, I like it, but I feel like I'm gonna keep it because fall is coming up, and we'll see if I wear it. This one, I'm gonna go ahead and donate because I've had it for a few years, and I've definitely worn it, and I don't think I should like resell it. I feel like donating is good. I'm gonna keep this dress. It's super worn out, but I like to have like a simple black dress that I can dress up or dress down. So I need to put this on my replace list. Y'all, this is a dress, believe it or not, from college, and it used to be a dress. Last time I put it on, it was looking like a t-shirt. So maybe I should get rid of it because it's a little bit small. But y'all, I love this dress. Oh, this hurts my feelings. I love this dress. Should I Poshmark it or donate it? I think I should donate it. Keep. Oh, definitely keeping this dress. Y'all, this dress is so pretty. I bought this from Walmart probably just last year or the year before, it's really cute, and I was able to wear it while I was pregnant. But it's really cute. Actually, I just noticed there's a little, like a frame piece right here, but I never noticed that. But this is cute, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that. Y'all, honestly, this dress, I feel like I can go ahead and get rid of, because I literally wore it that one time for dinner. Keep that. That's too cute. I'm gonna keep it. Y'all, this is really cute, and I have worn it. I wore it to somebody's wedding, and I haven't worn it since. But I need to challenge myself to wear it, or at least put it in a video somewhere. And this too, like, I've had this for a couple years, and it's cute. I think I might have worn it once, so I think I'm gonna put this on my Poshmark. See if it'll sell. If not, we'll donate it. This one, I'm gonna keep it and see if I wear it this fall. And if I don't wear it this fall, this dress is really nice. This is a size 10. I wore it to a wedding. It's really cute, does the body good. I just haven't worn it since the wedding, and I don't know where I would wear it, so. Get rid of it. Honestly, y'all, as much as I love overalls, these are a little bit snug, so I'm gonna keep them for now. But I definitely need to replace. My only interview skirt. So I'm probably gonna speed up through the rest of this. I don't know how much catty chatting I have been doing to y'all. I'm gonna probably speed up the rest of this, just to spare y'all. And I do want to hit my dresser real quick, because I know I can throw out some things and declutter the dresser, and I figured I might as well go ahead and do that at the same time and get it all over with in one big old swoop. Make room for some new stuff. You know, fall coming in. So yeah, if you're still watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, make sure you share this video with all your friends and your family, and yeah. So the last section, these are all of my like hoodies, sweaters, cardigans, and like a couple pieces that I don't wear. So like my old karate uniform, my prom dress, stuff that I just keep for memories that are in the back. So to be honest, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep most of my hoodies. So I'm probably not gonna take them all the way out because they run deep. They run very deep. So alright y'all, so I know it looks like I kept everything, but I promise I didn't. Okay, so my floor, I have like a Poshmark pile and then a donate pile, and I promise y'all, if you want something off my Poshmark, you need to get it ASAP, because I do not hold on to things on my Poshmark for years and years. After a couple months, if it hasn't sold, I'm gonna just throw it out either way. So if you like something on my Poshmark, buy it as soon as possible so I can get rid of it. Alright y'all, so I put everything actually back into the closet. I'm at my dresser now, and I'm probably just gonna really speed through this part because it's not that much and nothing is gonna end up on Poshmark. This stuff is either trash or I'm keeping it. And yeah, let me just get into it. So but yeah, that's basically it. I have all of this on the floor that I'm either going to post on my Poshmark or just go straight and donate. Then I do have a little bit of trash behind me, and I know it's gonna increase because like the intimate items I'm just gonna throw away, of course, if I don't wear them or they don't fit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, just like I said, it really helps my channel when you guys interact and show that you're enjoying my videos. Stay tuned for more content. I know it's been a minute, but I promise I'm coming back with more content. So yeah, on that note, bye.